All right, guys, today we have Sara Smiles by Hall & Oates. And let's take a listen. Da-na-na-na, da-da-da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na. And then the singing starts. Well, hello everyone. I'm Shawn and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. All of the lessons for this song are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on your phone, your tablet, your desktop computer, whatever you want to watch it on. Fast streaming for everyone. There are thousands and thousands of lessons on there. A lifetime of music for you, really there is. If you want to get a hold of me, easypianolessons@yahoo.com. If you have any questions or anything. But let's get started. I have layered on my keyboard the electric piano 1, electric piano 2 with a reverb and a chorus just to kind of give us that 80s keyboard sound. So I'm kind of combining their keyboard part with the bass guitar, and some other things just to give us a satisfying arrangement here. Now I was singing what the guitar kind of does at the beginning. We can't really put all that in there. It just doesn't sound right as the guitar sometimes will work on piano, but this the way this goes, it would just run into a lot of trouble trying to do the chords and the way the melody skips around in the guitar. But these chords are really cool. So let's get started with them. C, F, A on the right hand, D in the left hand, D octave, da, na, 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 and then C, E, G on the right, left hand on an A. Right? So D minor 7 to A minor 7. They like to use lots of minor 7 chords. And they use a minor 7 on the next one. G, B flat, D, F. Now the da, 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 that's the bass guitar doing that, but I think it's okay for us to play it. G, A, B flat, C. When you get to the C, play that chord again. So da, 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 da. Now that chord there, some of the instruments do it. The keyboard does not do it, I don't think. But I think we need to put it in there because it sounds cool. B, E, G sharp, left hand on a C sharp. I just put it in parentheses because it's not something that the keyboard's actually playing. But I think it's okay if we do it. Bum, bum. And it's syncopated. 1 and 2 and, like it was here. 1 and 2 and. All right. In fact, these two chords are the same chord. I just thought I'd give you a different voicing of it. C, F, A, C, left hand on a D. C, E, G, C, left hand on an A. All right, if you just look at the right hand, that looks like an F chord, and the next one looks like a C chord. Yes, by themselves, but if you look at the bass note, it becomes a D minor 7 and an A minor 7. And then da-da-ba-bum. Kind of separating those. Not too much of a staccato, but I don't want to pedal them. I don't want to do that. I just want to. Okay, so B flat, D, F, B flat, 1, 2, 3, 5, A, G, and then hit your G minor 7 all together. G, B flat, D, F, while the left hand goes G, A, B flat, C. La, 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 ba. The double bar we start the verse. All right, let's go all through it again. And beginning. Da, 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 da. Okay, so there's your part 1 lesson, and I'll see you maybe, and we'll finish it. Hope you guys had fun with it. Talk to you later.